Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a beef taco soup, and it's actually my first time trying this recipe, so I'm kind of creating it at the same time, so bear with me. So the first thing I'm gonna do before I cut up any onions or cut the corn off the cob, tomatoes, I'm going to shuck the corn and I'm going to roast the tomatoes and the jalapeños. I might just use one, but I'm gonna roast two just in case. So the next thing there is to do is rinse these off and cut them.
Xzachlyee. Xzachlyee.
So now that the broiler has warmed up kinda, it's time to put the tomatoes in to roast. Now it's time to roast the jalapeños. Put some foil in there just cause. Perfect.
Xzachlyee.
Okay, so we have the stove on medium heat. We're gonna brown the ground beef.
point exhausted.
Okay, that was fairly simple to drain. I always use the lid. Now, time to turn the stove from medium to about 3. 3 is about what I turn it on for it to simmer. And then I'll go ahead and put this taco seasoning pack in there. But if you just cook meat and don't put anything in it, it's not gonna have any flavor. Well, no, it's gonna taste like meat. How about that? Shh. I wanna make sure that meat is coated in all the seasoning. Next, I will add the onion. What I'm gonna do is build a wall with the meat.
My point exhausted.
It smells so good right now.
My point exhausted.
And it's the beef broth.
My point exhausted.
Okay, so now that we've added the beef broth, we'll add some garlic powder, some salt, that's good. It looks amazing, tastes amazing, smells amazing. So now, just time to put it on 3 and we're gonna simmer it. So I'm gonna plate this and taking the pictures.
My point exhausted. My point
Delicious. Delicious, amazing, amazing, delicious. That's it. I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, don't forget to press the thumbs up button. Comment down below any recipes you think I should try out or try to create my own version of. And subscribe to my channel. Bye.